But check this out. The craftsmanship he puts into this work here. Now, he makes about 5 different styles. I'm just showing on video my favorite couple. I'll throw pictures up of his other ones there so you can see. But these are museum quality. They're in fact in a couple of museums for primitive weaponry. He sells internationally. He's got them, I think he told me 9 countries that he has these in right now. He actually has given a couple of slings to be used for like helping locomotion and animation on a couple video games. On this new video game coming out where the main character uses a sling, a shepherd's sling like his. So that's pretty sweet. You know, that's pretty cool. I'll throw another video up at the end of this demonstrating how to use these. Right now my food's almost ready. Well, my water's boiling. Which, by the way, that's under 2 minutes with that Esmond stove. A little cheapo stove. But yeah, I'm gonna put his information up. I'll put a couple of links up here, and you guys check him out, okay? Thanks for watching. All right, shepherd sling with moose hide, jute. It's the one that's split on the sides. He says the rough side is where you put your ammo. Okay. What you do, once I have the loop for your finger, the other side has a knot that you pinch between your forefinger and your thumb there. Load your ammo. You want something big, heavy, smooth. These are a little bit smaller than an egg, but they're heavy. So you seat it down in the pouch. There's several ways to throw it. I'll show you 2. That's all I know. That's a standard, you know, sling style. I guess you can whip it around your head as long as you want to for a dramatic effect, but I don't think it helps. The second style is, I've seen it called Apache style. You kind of step into it, sling it overhead. They work great. These you don't really want to get too wet, but he makes some that are seat belt material for the pouch and paracord. Absolutely bomb proof. That's the one I carry all the time. I'm using this pretty fancy one here to show off his talent. He is amazing. But again, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps, and I hope I'm in frame.